All right. Hi, Zoran.
Salim ji, kaise?
Wa alaikum salam, ठीक ठाक. My question is, would you clarify your position to those who got kind of an impression from your statement or interview that you said if you become mayor, you're gonna legalize prostitution, you know? So there is big confusion in the Muslim community and they want clarification. What is your stand on this? If you could say in English and Urdu, that would be great.
मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं बोल सकता.
All right.
First of all, I want to say thank you for asking this question because it allows me the opportunity to clarify something amidst all of Andrew Cuomo's lies, whether they are lies on TV or lies, frankly, even in the masjid. I have not and am not advocating for the legalization of prostitution. I never have, and I am not doing so. What I have spoken about is the need for us to focus on tackling sex trafficking across the city and ensuring that there's no tolerance for violence against women. And I've said that the most important thing is to deliver safety in this city. And what we've seen is this current approach where the mayoral administration is looking to arrest sex workers and then after arrest provide them with services to connect them with other employment. That is a system where those services should be provided first. Those services should be provided at the initial point of contact, and that is something that we've seen district attorneys today in Manhattan and Brooklyn, as well as the previous district attorney. These are the approaches that they have taken. Those are the approaches the previous mayoral administration has taken. So we're going to end these kinds of raids. We're going to focus our efforts on combating sex trafficking. And we're going to ensure that we're actually connecting New Yorkers with employment opportunities, health and safety, and have the same findings of the United Nations Working Group on Health and Women, the World Health Organization, Amnesty International, have that guide what we do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Sure. And